Hey everyone! I hope you all had a wonderful holiday and a happy new year. It's Azel again and I'm here to show you another baking tutorial. And these will be these delicious chocolate chip butterball cookies. The ingredients to this recipe will be in the description box below. Let's get started. These will be the ingredients. You'll need 4 cups of sifted flour, half a cup of sugar, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 1 cup of Splenda or powdered sugar to coat, 4 tablespoons of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of butter, which is equivalent to 4 sticks of butter. I'm going to be using my KitchenAid stand mixer with this whisk attachment. First, I'm going to add the 4 sticks of butter to this bowl. Make sure to lock your stand mixer, and we're going to mix this at a low speed. So here I stopped the mixer so I can scrape all the butter down in this bowl. Let's mix the butter again so it can be fully creamed and soft. We're going to add the half cup of sugar to the butter. Then the vanilla extract, and we're going to make sure that everything is all mixed in. Don't forget to scrape all of the batter down. We're going to gradually add the 4 cups of flour. Keep adding some more flour and continue mixing and mixing. After all of that mixing, you're going to get this very thick consistency and you know that it's ready. So we're going to prep the dough and add our 1 cup of chocolate chips. So this is what the cookie dough would look like, and it looks so yummy. We're going to preheat our oven at 350 degrees or 176 Celsius. Using a regular spoon, we're gonna scoop the dough and use our hands to roll 1 inch to 1.5 inch of these butterball cookies. So here I just lined my baking tray with parchment paper or wax paper. And these butterballs won't expand too much, so that's why they're close to each other. Once our butterball cookies are cooled down, we're going to start tossing them in a bowl of Splenda or powdered sugar, giving it the snowball appearance. And there you have it, guys. Here are our chocolate chip butterball cookies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys try this recipe at home. Instead of chocolate chips, you can also go wild and use nuts or dried fruits. Thank you to everyone who supported my channel and watched my first video and also subscribed. You are all so awesome.